Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Anisha and you are watching Anisha Arts. Today we are going to restore my father's phone back cover. So that back cover is looking really old. So I need to restore it, and I am going to attempt acrylic pouring technique to it. So let's enjoy this video. So let's start the restoration process. So now you can see this back cover is really old and paint began black. It was really beautiful when I bought it. So this is a drawing I made in this rear side. I like Adam, so I made Adam that rear side, and let's do this restoration. You can see it. It is really old, really broken in condition. Now I took a 100 grit sandpaper and start sanding it, and this sanding process took a lot of time, so I have make it fast forwarded. A few moments later. Okay, my sanding is done. I cleaned the surface and back again with this back cover. So I am fixing some masking tape. So that's why for covering this important holes and ports, means camera hole. I came back with some Fevicol. I am applying Fevicol here, some dot of Fevicols. And why I am adding Fevicol? Fevicol will add a good smooth surface in this back cover surface. So I am adding this Fevicol. Let apply this Fevicol and let it dry for some time. Okay, that back cover is dried completely. Now we are going to add black acrylic paint to this back cover surface. Black acrylic paint will add a background layer to this back cover. After we will add some acrylic colors to it. That DIY will cost you almost 100 rupees if you buy those paints. I am using really cheap 20 rupees bottle beginner level acrylic paints. And you can make it at home. You don't need to go outside and buy some things. Although if you don't have paints, then you have to buy some paints. Otherwise the DIY will cost really less. Now we are going to pour some acrylic color. First I took black color for background, then cobalt blue, then ultramarine blue, sky blue and white. Now enjoy this acrylic pouring scene and enjoy this music. চলো এখন আমরা এই ব্যাক কভারটা বাবাকে গিয়ে দিব, বাবা কি বলে দেখি। তো মিস্টার পটেটো একটু মুখ দেখাও তোমার। না, এবার তুমি বলো এই ব্যাক কভারটা তোমার কেমন লেগেছে?
ইট ইজ নাইস।
ও ইট ইজ নাইস। ওই বিচ্ছিরি ছেঁড়া ফাটা ব্যাক কভারের থেকে অনেক ভালো।
ইয়েস।
ওকে, থ্যাংক you Mr. Potato. Hope you guys like this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you once again.